It allows investigators to capture and analyze network traffic in real time, which is crucial for identifying breaches and suspicious activity. These tools form the backbone of digital forensics investigations. But knowing how to use them effectively is what separates a good investigator from a great one. One of the fundamental techniques is data recovery. Even when files are deleted or drives are formatted, traces often remain that can be recovered using specialized tools. Log files are like digital footprints. By examining logs from servers, devices, or applications, investigators can trace activities, uncover unauthorized access, and even pinpoint timelines. Metadata, like timestamps on files or geolocation data from photos, can provide critical context in investigations. It's a small detail with big implications. Disk imaging involves creating an exact copy of a device's storage for analysis. This preserves the original evidence and ensures its integrity. Decrypting encrypted data is a common challenge in forensics. Techniques range from brute force attacks to using known algorithms or encryption keys to unlock valuable evidence. Together, these tools and techniques empower forensic experts to reconstruct digital events, uncover hidden truths, and ensure justice is served. Next up, we'll talk about the career opportunities in this exciting field, so stick around. So, you're intrigued by digital forensics and wondering if it could be your future career? Let me break it down for you. Digital forensics is a rapidly growing field, thanks to the explosion of technology in cybercrime. From cracking cases of corporate fraud to solving cyber attacks, digital forensic experts are the detectives of the digital age. Now, what do you need to get started? Here are the key skills and qualifications. Technical knowledge, understanding operating systems, file systems, and networking is crucial. Certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, Certified Computer Forensic Examiner, CCFE, or GIAC Certified Forensic Analyst, GCFA, can boost your career prospects. Attention to detail. In digital forensics, every byte of data counts. Analytical thinking, you need to connect the dots and uncover hidden patterns in data. While digital forensics is a powerful tool, it's not without its challenges. Let's explore the hurdles experts face in uncovering the truth in the digital world. Challenge 1. Volume of data. Today, we generate an overwhelming amount of digital data, emails, social media posts, cloud storage, and more. Sorting through terabytes or even petabytes of information to find relevant evidence is like finding a needle in a haystack. Challenge 2. Encrypted and deleted data. Encryption is a double-edged sword. While it protects user privacy, it also poses a major challenge for investigators. Add to that, criminals often delete data intentionally. Although tools exist to recover some of it, encrypted and securely wiped data can be nearly impossible to retrieve. Despite these challenges, digital forensic experts continue to innovate and adapt, ensuring justice is served in a digital world. It's a complex field but a vital one in today's tech-driven age. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and cybersecurity content. What aspect of digital forensics fascinates you the most? Let me know in the comments.